So thank you very much. This is Rita from Huion, and you know I work with Huion quite a bit. They've sent me the Kamvas 13. That's on my desk right now, and I use it all of the time. And one thing I love about it, it's not just a great drawing tablet for when I want to be creative, but also it's great for presentation, for annotating documents, signing things. And it's, you know, actually it's more of a professional tool for me, a great thing. I recommend it to everyone to have one on the desk.
Really?
Yeah, really, because it's just so, especially if you're doing like digital presentations, you know, with like maybe PowerPoint, I share that screen and I can annotate on top of the screen.
Yeah.
It's very useful for me, not just a content creator, but a teacher as well. But Rita's going to show us some new products they're launching at the IFA today.
Okay, in this October 2025, we will release 2 totally new products. The size is 27 and 24. This one is the 27 size products. You can see the screen is totally...
I love the map.
You can touch. Now we added
touch,
the
that's
touch
something
function.
people have been wanting for a long time. So you've not just got the really great 16,000 levels of pressure Huion Gen 4, right? Pentec Gen 4. Incredible Pentec.
And also you can look at this.
Well.
Here is a button.
Right.
Yeah, here is a button. When you can use this button to close or open the touch function.
Oh, right,
because,
that's very useful, So if you get an accidental presses.
Because some artists do not want to use a finger touch. Somebody wants to use, so you can use this button to open the function. We also added the refresh rate. It has 144 Hz.
Really?
Yeah, it will be very useful for the 3D designer. Many of our visitors think it's a very useful function for us. And now you can see here our pen. Here we have 2 kinds of pens. Many our users may know that this shape of this pen is the old shape, old version, right? Now we have a new version of this. A thinner one. More like the real pen, you know that. And when you draw like this,
and that's some of the best, most accurate lines.
And do you know that this side, this part of the it's an eraser here. Well, Cool. This is a 24 size, the generation 3, and it also has a touch function, same to the 27, but different is this one is 144 Hz.
Right, so this goes down to...
There is also a button you can close or open the touch function, and also the same pen. And you can open the pen box. Here, you can see put pen here, and also 5 plastic nibs and 5 felt nibs.
Different feel,
You know that. And another, we want to introduce this one. This key dial will include into the box if you buy our products, the 27 and 24. And also this key dial will have a application. We do an application for these products. Here, the Huion key dial. This key dial can set the function of this key, and then you can use with your phone, your iPad, and your laptop here. And now it's connected with these 24 size products. You can see here, and then we already set the function of each press key.
And it's nice. You've got it indicates what they're set to on the little screen there. That's really good.
It was connected with the device via the Bluetooth. You can see here. And use these 2 buttons. You can set different functions with each press keys. We also can show you in the Huion driver. You can see. Also, we update the driver. You can see totally different surface of this software, right? You can see here is the key dial remote. Here we can set many group function.
So you can change it different apps or
change the group via these 2 buttons. You can see here is a 7 and then turn to 2. You can set, and also you can see here is 2. Here, easily to change. right? And here you can give the group function a name. Then you can know, when I use the Adobe Photoshop, I use this group function, and the correct, I will use the third group function. It's very easy to know that which function you are using. And also, now click this, you can set the function like the press keys, the normal press keys. Easy to set the functions of each button.
Yeah, very nice.
And the dial, have two dial. In the middle is a dial function, and the upper one is another function. And you can hear the voice. It's very nice.
It's really good.
You can have a try.
Yeah, it's lovely. And is it just sort of, because it's just a matte surface, it just sticks.
It's a pad.
Yeah.
With the Android system.
tablet.
Yeah.
So my question about this is this pen here is not the same type of pen as the Huion system over there. It's not an EMR pen, is it?
It has a print pressure sensitivity too.
But my question is why use a different type of marker, a different type of pen on here compared to your larger systems? Is it a cost thing, or is it a...
Because that kind of products use the EMR technology, but this pen is a little like the iPad's pen, the iPencil, Apple Pencil, yeah. Because this is a pen, we not only need to write, but also need to attach, to work with the pad, with the system.
Right.
Yeah.
So
this one need a battery, but the other pen do not need a battery.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, different function.
And what's this guy? Is a Windows PC?
This is a laptop.
Right. And that does have the EMR pen.
This is also EMR pen. Do not need battery. Do not need battery. It's the same pen with our other products. We have many pen. Different pen can connect with different products.
Yeah, different range, different generations.
And
then if you just show me your Inspiroys as well. These are the less expensive, but still just very functional, very useful if you need to use a pen input for any type. Yeah, tell me about these.
These two products is a Fraggle series here. Fraggle series. This is M size, and this is S size, and they both can connect with other device via the Bluetooth. You can see here.
Cool. So it can be battery powered. How long would it last on a battery?
About 10 hours.
Wow, yeah, that's really good.
10 hours, and then you can go outside without a cable, right? It's very easy to take, and you can touch the surface of this tablet, like a paper.
Really nice surface,
It's very nice.
Yeah, cool.
Okay.
Well, thank you very much, Rita, for showing me. And I've bought Huion products for many years. I bought the first drawing tablet I bought to start making my videos was Huion. It's a brand that they've come a long way since the early products. Initially, it was like a kind of inexpensive alternative to Wacom, but now it's just a really high quality drawing tablets for all your needs.
Yeah, and we have a better price, I think. In the future, if we have, we will update many new technology about about color technology. It's very important for the designer and the artist. I hope that you can try our new products in the future. We will release the 27 and 24 size this October.
Yeah. Cool. So look forward to that one. Thanks again.